Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zelle error code 2900. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in downdetector.com, and once you're inside there, scroll down until you find the Zelle server and check to see if the server is working properly or not. Sometimes the server might not be properly, and which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now what you can do is just patiently wait it out and then later try again. If that isn't still fixed, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Zelle app and then tap on it, and once you're inside you'll be seeing offload app option. Simply tap on that, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.